Good morning, children. I am Sujata, your English teacher from Dr. Besant School. How are you, children? Fine? Very good. Okay. In the previous class, we learnt two revisions from our workbook. FA1 revision already I given two revisions. Now I am going to give FA1 revision 3. Okay, children? Do you have workbooks? Now open your workbooks page number 8, 9. Open your workbooks page number 8 and 9. So I am going to give these two page numbers. Open fast. Now put the heading. Open your HWs also. Open your HWs. Write very neatly. I hope you are all good writers. So you have to write very neatly. Okay, children? Roman number 3. FILL. Fill. IN. THE. Fill in the. MISSING. Missing. BLANKS. Blanks. WITH. With. THE. WORDS. Words. GIVEN. Given. BELOW. Below. Fill in the missing blanks with the words given below. This is the heading. This is the third Roman heading. So put the heading first. All of you write down. First one. See, they given answers also here. BALL ball, BONE bone, PARK park, DOZ dog, HOUSE house. These are the answers they given. So you have to choose the correct one and write in that blank. Understood, children, what I said? See, BALL ball, BONE bone, PARK park, DOZ dog, HOUSE house. These are the answers. So you have to select one correct word and fill in these blanks what they given. Understood, children? I live in a dash. I live in a dash. I have I have a BIG big. I have a big dash. Third one. CHEWS shoes. He choose. ON HIS his dash. Fourth one. WEV GO go. TO to. THE the dash. Fifth one. MY my. DOZ dog. My dog. RUNS runs. AFTR after a dash. So I have written on the board these 5 blanks. I don't give any answers here. Now I will tell you what are the correct answers. You have to fill in these blanks. First you have to observe. Already I have given answers on the board. Okay. And see, I wrote 5 sentences, means 5 blanks. First one, tell me anyone. I live in a dash. What is the correct answer? See, from your book, page number 8, I live in a dash. What is it? House picture. This is a house. This is a house. What is it? It is a house. Where do we live? Yes, we live in a house. Where do we live? We live in a house. So, I live in a House. I live in a house. What is the answer? House. This is the first one answer. I live in a house. 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 I live in a house. I live in a house. 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 And second one. Have. I have a big. See, I have a big dash. What is it? It is a dog. What is it? It is a dog. What kind of dog it is? It's a big dog. It's a big dog. So here I have a big dog. Second one answer is dog. D was a dog. I have a big dog. D was a dog. I have a big dog. Third one. He choose. Chews. Choose. On. He choose on. His. He choose on his dash. What it is? It is a bone. What is it? It is a bone. Bone. He choose on his bone. 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 Bone is the third one answer. So here bone. 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 He choose on his bone. Choose. On. His. Bone. He choose on his bone. He choose on his bone. Fourth one. Go. The. We go to that dash. So every evening or in our free time, where do we go? Where do we go? In our free time or every evening or every morning, we go for a walk. We go for a walk to go to the park. So we go to the park. For play also we go to the park. So all children in their free time they go to park for playing. Okay, with their friends. So here also we go to the park. See, this boy is playing. This boy is playing in the park. So what answer will come here? We go to the park. Park is the fourth one answer. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. We go to the park. W-E-V, go, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, P-R-K, park. We go to the park. We go to the park. Now, fifth one. My dog runs after a ball. So, what does your dog do? What does your dog do? My dog runs after a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. This is the fifth one answer. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Have you completed? See, already I told you, you have to write one time in your HWR in rough note. Okay. After class over, I will give you the homework. But now you have to write only one times. That is for revision. So write very neatly, children. See, I will give you revision again. You have to tell. Okay, children. Ready? Okay. Repeat after me. Okay, children. Repeat after me. Again. Fill in the missing blanks with the words given below. Fill in the missing blanks with the words given below. What are the answers they given? Ball, bone, park, dog, house. B-A-L-L, ball, B-O-N-E, bone, P-A-R-K, park, D-O-Z, dog, H-O-U-S-E, house. These are the answers. Okay. First one. I, L-A-V-E, live. I live INNAHOUSE, house. I live in a house. I live in a house. I live in a dash. What answer will come in that blank? Yes, house. I live in a house. What is the spelling of house? Already they given in the answer column. Yes, HOUSE, house. I live in the house. I live in the house. Second one, HAVE, have. I have a BIG, big dog. D was a dog. I have a big dog. I have a big dog. A big dog. I have a big dog. D was a dog. I have a big dog. D was a dog. CHEWS, choose. He choose. ON, on. HIS, his. BONE, bone. BONE, bone. Bone means, in our body also 206, I think, bones are there. Okay, BONE, bone means yamuka. BONE, bone means yamuka. Here also bone and here also bones. Our body full of bones only. Bones covered with muscle. Okay, BONE, bone means yamuka. So he chews on his bone. Choose. You know what is the meaning of choose? ఇలా నమలడం అన్నమాట. చూస్ అంటే ఏంటి? అది అలాగా నములుతూనే ఉంటుంది బోను. CHEWS, choose. ON, on. HIS, his. BONE, bone. He chews on his bone. BONE, bone. WEV, go. TO, THE, the. PARK, park. We go to the park. We go to the park. PARK, park. What is the spelling of park? PARK, park. We go to the park. We go to the park. And last one, MY, my. DOG, dog. RUNS, runs. AFT, after. BALL, ball. My dog runs after a ball. My dog runs after a ball. See children, నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను. నిన్న ఇచ్చినవి, మొన్న ఇచ్చినవి, ఈరోజు ఇచ్చినవి కూడా ఇవన్నీ రివిజన్. ఇవి మనకి ఎలా వస్తాయి అంటే మన ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్లోని అన్ని MCQs అంటే మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట. ఇది ABCDలు ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాము. జస్ట్ మీరు అవి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏదో దాన్ని మీరు టిక్ చేస్తూ ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్ మీరు రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? నేను ఇచ్చిన ప్రతిదీ కూడా ఈ బ్లాంక్ అయినా రావచ్చు. ఐ లివ్ ఇన్ ఏ డాష్, హౌస్ అని రావచ్చు, హట్, బిల్డింగ్, అలాగే 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో అందులో నీ హౌస్ ఎక్కడుందో చూసుకొని దానికి మీరు టిక్ చేసి రాయాలి. ఈవెన్ మొన్న చెప్పిన మిస్సింగ్ లెటర్స్ అయినా అలాగే నేను ఇచ్చిన కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్స్ ఏవైనా అంతే, అన్నీ మనకి మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్లో వస్తాయి లేదా 1 word ఆన్సర్స్లో కూడా రావచ్చు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ వెరీ వెల్ for FA1 exams. Okay, don't waste your time, and it's time for reading. It's time for preparing FA1 exams. Don't waste your time, children. Okay, see, all FA1 exams are maybe they are going to be all MCQs or 1 word answers. Okay, children, read well. Okay, so this is the 3rd Roman I have given. And I will give you 4th Roman also today. First you have to write. I will give you 2 minutes to check these answers. Write down fast, children. I live in a house. I have a big dog. He chews on his bone. We go to the park. My dog runs after a ball. Again, repeat after me. I live in a house. I have a big dog. He chews on his bone. We go to the park. My dog runs after a ball. Shall I rub the board? Okay. Next revision, put the heading in your homework books. Now I am going to give the revision from your workbook, page number 11. Page number 11, this is the second lesson. This is the second lesson from your workbook, page number 11. See. Did you identify what pictures are these? These pictures are related to maths. These pictures are related to maths. You know what is it? What is it? It's a triangle. What is it? It's a triangle and it is a square. What is this picture? It is a square. And what is it? Yes, it is a circle. It is a circle. And this one, rectangle. What is this picture? This one, rectangle. సేమ్ చూడండి, మీకు ఇవి కూడా మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్లో రావచ్చు, లేదా పిక్చర్ ఇచ్చి దీన్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి దీని పేరు రాయండి అన్నప్పుడు మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద నేమ్, ఐడెంటిఫై ద పిక్చర్ నేమ్ అండ్ రైట్ హియర్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇన్ దట్ బ్లాంక్ వాట్ దే గివెన్ in online exam. So you have to prepare very well, children. If you waste 1 minute also, you will lose your marks. So you have to prepare very well. Okay? Okay. Put the heading. I will write on the board. Write down, children. Roman number 4. IDENTIFY. Identify the TH the PICTURES. Pictures. Identify the pictures and WRITE. Right. Identify the pictures and write THEIR there and write there CORRECT. Correct. ANSWERS. Answers. Identify the pictures and write their correct answers or write their names and correct names. 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 Put the heading all of you fast. Identify the pictures and write their correct names. I know you are very good students. You write very fast. Okay, children? Good. What is this? Did you identify what is this? Yes, this is rectangular. This is a rectangle. 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 This is a rectangle picture. Say all of you. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. This is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Again, RECTANGLE. Rectangle. What is this picture? Rectangle. This is rectangle picture. What is this? Can you guess what is this? Yes, it is triangle. It is a triangle. Triangle. This picture name is triangle. What is it? It's a triangle. It's a triangle. 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 See, what is it? What picture it is? Can you guess anyone? What picture it is? It is a circle. 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 It is a circle. 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 It is a circle. What is the spelling of circle? Circle. Circle. Please repeat after me. Circle. Circle. What is it? A circle. What is it? A circle. 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 And what picture it is? Do you know what picture it is? Yes, it's a square. It's a square. You know what is the spelling of square? Yes, Q, SQUARE. 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 What picture it is? SQUARE. Square. Draw the pictures and write their names, children, fast. Draw the pictures and write their names. See, did you put the heading? Identify the pictures and write their correct names. What it is? Rectangle. This is a rectangle. 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 And this is a triangle. 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 Circle. 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 Square. What is it? What is it? What is it? Square. 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 This is a square. Again, this is a rectangle and this is a triangle. It's circle and it's square. Okay, I hope you all are very good children and you have write very neatly. So after this class you have to write in your HW 5 times and show to your parents. Okay children, tomorrow I will give you another revision. Bye children.